some Second World War bomb shelter blast stores and all that. There's the one like Spawn with Kev. We're just blinding each other now with lights. But this is a little bit bigger than what we thought, isn't it?
Yeah, a lot bigger. I thought.
Do you want to lead the way, or?
Yeah.
We did a scout, you should repeat where it is. Underground World War II shelters.
Which way?
Quite a few remembrance of bits of bobs.
Uh,
Go the long way, Michael, more the long way. There's all the old cable holes, blocks and everything up there, which would have held all the cables. There's escape hatches built on every side bit there. There's your blocks and everything for all your cables. You seen the small block? Oh, that's a spider's web, isn't it?
Spider's web, yeah.
Spider's nest. And this is L3. Quite good condition really, isn't it, as well?
yeah.
A lot of the remnants in here of the old seats and toilets and stuff. See up there, there's a hole.
Some of them are actually open, aren't they?
Yeah. We'll probably come back and double up on ourselves because you can go a long way. So
Yeah.
come back on the way back, can't we? Come back on ourselves.
Which way are we going? That way.
But as you see down here, ladies and gentlemen, these are the resemblance. These are what's left of the old seats we used to sit in the bunker, in the shelter. There's more stairs to the outside. Each outside bit has like embankment, little barrows, and a centre bit in the middle. And the wood piled up over them.
Oh, this way?
Yeah, go for it. As you see here, there's loads of these benches, supports for the seat bench and everything. Every minute found the toilet one.
Yeah, there's the toilet
Oh,
one there.
right, there you go. There's the toilet seats, look, what would sat on some of them benches. Not every single one of them would have been toilets there.
So what are they? Just buckets?
Yeah, slot buckets. And that bucket we see earlier,
Yeah.
into them buckets and then slot them out.
Is that opening?
Yeah. There you go, there's your escape hatches. Look. There is an event going up above us, and there's security and marquees and all sorts going on. So we're walking underneath all the security. There's the old light bit in there. There you go, ladies and gentlemen. A lot of the rebars coming through from the concrete, reinforced concrete supports it had.
There's a bucket.
There you go, there's the bucket we were on now. That's what you put into them toilet seats, and that's what you slop out with afterwards.
It's got a wall.
If you keep going left, and then we'll keep going left on the way back, if you know what I mean. Oh no, take pictures of me. So suppose you can go do both bits. Have a look up there, and then come back down and look up here.
Which way?
That one first, then. See all the blocks of wood. We're now on J4. Is there anything down here? It's just another one of them. Just like big squares attached everywhere. There's a gold, it's a couple of gold balls up and down here though. And then
Yeah.
go all the way up to the top. And then we just clear left. Otherwise we go back on the side.
Straight down the bottom.
Yeah. More of the chunks.
That's where we went last time, isn't it?
Huh?
That's where we went last time.
Yeah, we're going that way, we're just going to have a look.
Or this way?
Yeah, just to see if there's anything we missed on the way round. Any more ice packs? Yeah, this is where it was a minute ago, Pete, so we're just checking about ice packs and stuff. Right, back on ourselves, then, Kev.
Just goes on.
Yeah, it's the same as where we were. And there's a There's a lot of the woods where all the cables run through, like I said, and here's one of the junction boxes. There's a junction box, which I'm guessing would have been probably up there somewhere. There's the arrows, telling you which way to go. More blocked upstairs from the outside, so people can come in. There's your electricals.
Oh, that's good.
Bell 1.3. And down to the bottom again, we'll just see if there's anything off to the right and then come back on top. Yeah, but out today, we've done the city camping crew, is exploring with the one like exploring the kit. Check if there's anything down here. If you notice, ladies and gentlemen, there's some old seating there, some paint tubs and stuff. And I'll take that round to where we were. Just more remnants of the seating. Can you put your torch down if they can? Yeah, just more remnants of the seating. So we've not come to the toilet one yet then.
Nah, that's
Bit
I think
further
that's the
up.
way.
Past this wood.
Another entrance. Yeah. That's not how you do it.
Yeah. Stealth, like it.
Yeah.
Oh, red person that's there.
Oh, yeah, didn't notice that.
And there's all these bricks everywhere. I'm trying to work out before whether they're bug hotels, whether this is being made up for bats. Kev's trying to be all quiet now because he knows we've got security above us.
Which way?
Crime scene tape, is that no? Security, do not enter. Go that way, we didn't come that way then last time.
Benches, crates.
There's an old tin, look. The old tin from the old days. A little tin, we're in H4 now.
Looks like it's been a lot of fires down there.
Yeah, no, I wouldn't say so. Not enough blackness, if you know what I mean. Ah, I came the wrong way this way, I'll go back the other way. I'll meet you around the corner in a minute.
Huh?
I'll come round to you that way.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Big concrete on here. I can hear him, but I can't see him. Hello.
Hello there. Kev's got a double torch.
Yeah, one's for long distance. What was that entrance?
Plenty of entrances and exits. See that mould on the floor,
Yeah.
the way it's spreading? More the escape hatches.
Oh, look at that, spiders.
Oh yeah, oh look at that one. Look at that, ladies and gentlemen. Wow. Yeah, this is what I was on about. This has just flipped itself, Kevin.
Is it?
Yeah.
It's got that upside down, that's why. Is it just... Yeah. Do that sounds right.
Cheers.
Yeah.
Yeah, these are these bricks. Like the time, I'm not sure. I'm thinking maybe bats then.
Yeah.
Some more wire hanging, look, original wire. And all the bakelite. Is that C3 or G? You'd say that's a G, yeah. Oh look, that's definitely got me for bats, look.
Yeah. Not them spiders.
Always find a tyre, don't you? Let's get down the bottom here, just show you. There's one of the metal original cables, look. Is this the one that's work? No, that's just all the wooden supports down there, the old benches.
Yeah.
Nothing else.
You could actually get out there that way, couldn't you?
Yeah, I did see that earlier. There's about 2 or 3 ways in the nose.
Yeah.
White, sealed.
That way, won't it?
Choose one.
Yeah, that's it. Water.
As you see, it's quite a big bomb shell, it's air raid shells. We've fitted a lot of people in here. There's the old water tank. There's the old water tank there. You see that, Kevin? Yeah? There's the old water tank. And now we're in something free, E3, I think. F3 now. Just going to check that bottom, because one of them had the toilet, didn't it? On the actual benching.
This way?
Yeah, I'm just going to check the bottom to see if this is one like the toilet.
Oh, yeah.
There's that cord, fire extinguisher. Bit caving on the floor. Old kettle. No, it's not there. There's an old kettle there though.
With a stick on it.
Yeah, what is that?
Hidden histories of Ray.
Hidden histories of Ray. There you go.
I'll tell them I don't know how to see it.
You what?
Yeah.
Jaws.
See you there. It went quiet, so I thought I was sliding.
There's a slop out bucket, look. I'm going to go this way. Yeah? Oh, what's that at the end there? Oh, some more original metal. Yeah, there's plenty of buckets. You see that kettle, or whatever it is at the bottom? Pot.
Kettle.
Yeah, metal kettle.
Yeah.
It's all probably original then. Excellent. Bin lid. That's what the benches would have looked like, and you would have sat down on them benches. Like an air vent stack thing, just there, look. More bin lids, look.
Oh, look at the size of him.
This is what you're looking at spiders again.
That was big.
Blimey. Don't know, there's a spider up there. He's quite big actually. It doesn't look like. Oh, this thing's doing it again. No, I've got it. Right, I'm going to keep chipping down on the side now. So then one of the benches has the old toilets in it. Not that one, but we throws more. The old metal. That metal's definitely from the Second World War, when this was in situ. Some of the cabling and everything still exists. That one's got a concrete thing on. It's like they're passed down stores and escape hatches, isn't it?
Yeah.
That one's blocked. Down the 8 tubs. Oh, this is the one with toilet seats. See these benches here now, ladies and gentlemen? We'll get to see. There you go, look. With them buckets you see earlier on, we can place them to there. Slop out buckets, there you go. There's the bucket in place, look. Oh, stalls, literally stalls. Yeah. No more. There was. Go ahead.
Yes.
Anti-leak in water. Oh, in here. On key. Yeah, you look, sat there with you. Energy drink. For you. It's a double back, so sometimes you go this way and it's long. And sometimes you double back and so way. And it's short.
C3.
C3. C3 PPR. Hang on. This should be taking pictures and using our coloured lights to get some of the
Think
best.
so?
Yeah, keep going. Yeah.
Clean tap.
I bet concrete came in, didn't it? Well,
Well,
yeah.
yeah.
Just there. Look. Don't take it like that. I hope it's doing it upside down. See it?
There it is.
Table, something. B4 room
Must be some sort of festival.
Yeah, it must be. Because they're playing golf as normal, but then they've got all the marquees getting set up and all that security. When we said security, I was thinking we'd have to walk down near them. I bumped into him. Tying down there, we're still on B3. Cool. Come away, look. Check it out. Spray concrete. Yeah, security literally. Can you put it under that?
Yeah. It just goes on and on.
Isn't it? I do apologise for the dirt on the lens ladies and gentlemen.
Just wipe off. Wow.
Look at this, and oh, plenty of people.
And this is the end.
This is the end of the.
That's it, it's down there.
It's just where we come back from. So that's or the end, or look at it this way, the beginning. And security just out there. That's been some second off the abundance for you peeps. A little bit of history there. Thank you for following us on the video. Don't forget to hit up the one like exploring with Kev on all his social media and all that. We're going to get round to turning off and now taking pictures. So thank you very much. Don't forget to comment, like, subscribe. Alright, I'll do that. Don't forget to comment, like, subscribe, and we'll catch you again soon. See you later, peeps.
See you later, people.